express 825 as the product of its prime factors, I'm going to use the factor tree first. 825 can be split into two numbers multiplied. I can see that it can be divided by 5, so if I use my calculator, divide by 5, I get 5 times 165. Now 5 is a prime number, so I can stop there. I'm going to divide 165 though, and again I can see that 5 goes into that. Using my calculator, 5 times 33 is 165. Again, 5 is prime. If I look at 33, it isn't prime, but I can write it as 3 times 11, and in fact 3 and 11 are both prime. So 825 as the product of its prime factors. I like to write them in order, so it's 3 times 5 times 5 times 11. Sometimes they ask you for powers of prime factors, in which case it would be 3 times 5 squared times 11. Either of those would do, though, in this case. An alternative way is to start with 825 and progressively divide by prime numbers. I can see that 5 goes into it 165 times. I can divide by 5 again, and I get 33. Can't divide by 5 again, but I can see that 3 goes into 33 11 times. Keep dividing until you've got 1. Well, 11 can only be divided by 11, and there's 1. And again, I get the same factors, 5 times 5 times 3 times 11.